Hi, thanks for taking a minute to listen about the great features of this property. If you like, our team will gladly send you a property information packet of this home, or we can arrange for a private showing upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, then you should know that our team will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or we will buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you can sell your home for, call now 615-703-8230. Welcome to your perfect country home on nearly 2 acres. No HOA, just peace, privacy, and endless possibilities. This one-of-a-kind home blends history with modern comfort. Featuring a charming 1919 original section, full of character, and a stunning 2009 addition that creates a bright, open, and flowing heart of the home. The oversized garage easily fits 2 cars plus motorcycles, side-by-sides, or even a golf cart. But the real bonus? The many outbuildings that offer unlimited potential. Home gym, guest quarters, office, homeschool classroom, art studio, pub, or even a home theater. You get all the perks of country living without the headache of maintaining too much land. If you're looking for space, charm, and versatility, this is the home for you. As I mentioned, a property information packet of this home or a private showing is available upon request. And remember, if you have a home to sell, our team can guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or we will buy it for cash. To find out how much you can sell your home for, call now 615-703-8230. Thanks for listening.